Nikki, standing in front of you is right where I want to be. If there's anything I can be sure about, is that I would always have you with me on my side.
Love you, Papa.
Love you too.
Mahal, I always love the way you make me laugh. I love the way how you shower me with your thousands of hugs and kisses every day. You are the best audience to my unending drama, the best taster of my cakes and chicken adobo, and Bicol Express. You are my rock, and the reason why I am who I am right now. You always see the best in me, and you are the love of my life, and I'm very proud to marry you.
This is the best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the best part. You are the best part.
I want to grow old with you by my side and look back on our life with no regrets. You stole my heart, and it will always be yours.
The stars are all
You are one of a kind.
you shining
I'll not let you go.
somehow.
I love you.
You are my best friend, my best buddy flight. Flying with you is happiness. Living with you is more happiness. From our layovers to our milestones, to having the best time of our life. My love for you will never falter until death do us part. I love you with all my heart.
This is the best